In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Instagram account without needing a Facebook account. This is a simple and straightforward process that you can do quickly, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you're set up and ready to go in no time. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to Instagram's official website. You can do this by typing www.instagram.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see Instagram's homepage with options to log in or sign up. Since we're creating a new account, you'll need to look for the option that says Create New Account and click on it. This option is typically located near the login section and is designed to help new users get started without any hassle. Now, you'll be directed to a new page where you'll need to enter your personal information. This is a crucial step, so make sure you have everything ready. You'll need to provide an email address or a phone number. This will not only be used to create your account, but also for verification purposes. Remember, it's important to use a valid email or phone number that you have access to, as you might need to verify your account through a confirmation code that Instagram will send to you. Once you've entered your email or phone number, proceed to fill in your full name. This will be the name that appears on your profile, so you can choose to use your real name or a nickname. After that, you'll need to create a username. Your username is your unique identifier on Instagram, so try to pick something that's both memorable and personal to you. If the username you want is already taken, Instagram will suggest alternatives, or you can try different variations until you find one that's available. Next, you'll be required to set a password. Make sure it's strong and secure, combining letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. A strong password will help protect your account from unauthorized access. Once you've filled in all these details, review everything to ensure accuracy, then hit the Next button. Instagram might ask you to complete a few more steps, such as adding a profile picture or finding friends, but these are optional and can be done later. And there you have it. You've successfully created an Instagram account without needing a Facebook account. You can now start exploring Instagram, follow friends, and share your photos and stories. Remember, if you ever run into any issues, Instagram's Help Center is a great resource to troubleshoot any problems. Enjoy your new Instagram account, and happy posting!